If you are crowned tonight, how will you show the rest of the Philippines and the universe the true essence of a Batangueña? One more time. If you are crowned tonight, how will you show the rest of the Philippines and the universe the true essence of a Batangueña?
I will show to the whole universe the essence of a true Batangueña by embodying the core traits of a Batangueña. Matapang, barako, and a little maligalig at times. Because I acknowledged once that the biggest plight of humanity is having potential and not utilizing it. And I say that because I was once a young girl who was bullied, doubted, made me believe that I was less, but I chose to rise that criticism and negativity in life with the core traits of being a Batangueña. Matapang, brave enough to face the challenges, resilient and barako enough to stand on my own 2 feet after a storm of life, and maligalig, persistent, even after I lost several times. And with my upbringing, I found my purpose, and that is to remind people that your dreams are not defined by judgment, but it is defined by courage to keep going. I am young, but my potential is limitless and my vision is clear. And with this crown, I am ready to serve, to lead, and to inspire like a true Batangueña and the woman of purpose, because the universe deserves a Batangueña who is not just a queen of beauty, but who is a queen of resilience, a queen of pride, and most especially a queen of hearts. Thank you so much.